If this feature is grayed out on your iPhone, attention awareness feature, if it is disabled on your iPhone and you want to enable this to set some settings, then don't panic. I get you covered in this video. I will guide you on how to disable this setting so that you'll be able to enable it again and do some settings on your own. Now just make sure you go to your settings button and tap on it. Now go to the search bar, tap on it and type in screen distance. Tap on screen distance that comes up here. Now it comes out like this. Tap on this button to disable it. Then if it brings out your one-time screen time passcode, provide your screen time passcode to disable this feature. Now this has been disabled. Then go back to this place, then close this page again. Then go ahead and tap on settings. Under settings, scroll down to face ID and passcode, tap on it. Then provide your face ID passcode. Just scroll up again until you get to the button that is attention awareness feature. It's now turned on. You can now tap on it and do some settings that places you here. So if you get this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.